So guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can connect your LG Dryer RC to the smartphone application. So we have to start from the opening the Play Store or Google Store, tap on the search and look for the LG ThinQ. Then tap on this application and install it. After that, of course, open. If you're starting this up for the first time, you have to create or log into your account. Then click on the Add Devices and select Dryers. Tap on the dryer and select the scan the QR on the dryer. Now turn on your dryer, tap on the turn it on and scan the QR code on your drum. So just give me a second, I'm gonna try to scan this QR code. Okay, now we are looking for the dryer. The QR code is located on the gray sticker inside of the drum side. Tap on the turn it on and now we have to look for the dryer again. Now you have to select your Wi-Fi network. As you can see, we cannot add the 5 GHz network, so I have to select the other one, like this one. Now you have to go to the dryer and hold the delayed start button for 3 seconds to turn on the Wi-Fi. As you can see, my indicator is lights up, so it's turned on, but I'm gonna turn it on again. Okay, now let's back to the smartphone application. And click on the done. As you can see, there have the Wi-Fi network from the dryer, so let's connect it. Okay, I'm gonna try to select the other network because I have a problem to connect it, so just give me a short second. And as you can see, that's it. You can change the name of your dryer and click on the OK. Your dryer is ready to use by your smartphone. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.